This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Ralph Martinez. No need to wait for a new construction home. This spacious home is ready now. This fantastic home boasts an open floor plan featuring ceramic tile flooring on the lower level and is perfect for entertaining family, friends, or guests. The kitchen is a chef's dream with plenty of cabinets, an abundance of counter space, a breakfast bar, and a full-size pantry. The 6 bedrooms and upstairs loft offer endless opportunities and flexibility of usage. Whether you have a large family, will be hosting visiting guests, work from home, want an office or two, or require additional bonus and entertainment space, it can all be found in this large home. The backyard is fenced and is another opportunity for play, entertainment, or simply relaxing. The current owners extended the patio with concrete. Get ready for your backyard cookouts. The community amenities are a short distance from the home and feature a resort-style swimming pool with a covered outdoor bar, tables and seating, a park, picnic area, fitness stations, dog park, playground, and basketball court. This home is conveniently located within a 10-minute drive to marinas, shopping, restaurants, parks, and more. You are close driving distance to all the Gulf beaches, McDill AFB, shopping malls, and amenities of Tampa Bay. Disney is only an hour and a half away. Whether you've been looking for a home away from home or a place to raise your family, you'll find it here. Please don't wait on this home. Homes